Big breaking story coming in the Ambani bomb scare case. Sources say no terror angle in the case up until now. The telegram message of Jaish-ul-Hind completely is false, according to sources, and created to divert attention. Officials say that no such organization even exists, such as Jaish-ul-Hind. Sources further add that Innova car likely belongs to Mumbai police and that more arrests are likely to be made. NIA officials are still investigating the motive behind this crime. Pankaj Upadhyay is joining us live. Pankaj, this is an absolutely shocking twist, if I could say, in terms of what the sources are revealing at the moment, saying that this particular SUV car belongs to the police itself, and Mumbai police that also, and there is no organization like Jaish-ul-Hind. It is all being done to divert attention. There is no terror angle. So this all points to, why don't you tell us what this all points to? Because, you know, this is clearly a case which is now blowing out of proportion. There are so many twists and unexpected ones coming in on this case.
That's right, Jyoti. So this is a very significant piece of information that's coming out now. So far, the news that we are hearing is that there is no terror angle that is involved in this entire case. So the theory that the unheard of organization Jaish-ul-Hind and the organization claiming their hand in the entire episode does not hold water. Because right now the NIA officials maintain that there is no organization as such by the name Jaish-ul-Hind. What that clearly means is this was simply a ploy to divert the attention. But if that was the case, then what was the motive of whoever is responsible for creating this entire facade in front of the police and the investigative agencies? What was the need to place this explosive-laden vehicle under Entella? And if at all there is this involvement of police officers, what was their role? Who were they being directed by? So a lot of questions are there right now which need answers, and of course, as you rightly pointed out, there is a lot of politics involved here in it, because we've seen right from the former Chief Minister of Maharashtra and Leader of Legislative Assembly, Devendra Fadnavis, saying in the House that Sachin Vazir needs to be arrested, to now senior leaders coming out and questioning Uddhav Thackeray, and also saying that narco test needs to be conducted so that there has to be transparency. There is a lot to the story. But of course, right now, NIA is still conducting the investigation. What we are learning is that searches are still going on at various places in Mumbai city and in the suburban areas. It's a done deal that in the days to come, there are going to be more arrests. That's what we're being told. And also that the
this is absolutely shocking information that is coming in right now, Pankaj. And, we are going to stay on top of the story, keep coming back to you for more updates that you're scooping out on the story from sources at the moment.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.